Zero Waste Pro project aims at promoting best practice and tools to public authorities and private companies in order to help them to minimize waste and capitalize on existing methods and tools. The 11 European organizations involved in the project focus on the three main pillars of zero waste philosophy, namely prevention, reuse and recycling. Each partner develops awareness and communication campaigns to stress the importance to minimize waste ending up in landfills, individuating the role and responsibility of each actor, from the citizen to the competent authority, supplying alternative good practices.
The municipality which want to become part of the network of zero waste must meet certain conditions which should primarily be adapted to zero waste definition, which means the establishment of circular economy.
The project aims at modifying the common opinion that the waste is only a problem and not a possible resource, promoting the concept of circular economy.
The problem is what we do in the local communities, how we implement these things. So we think that the local operations should be support the people, give practical information.
The Green Guide is a collection of good practice concerning green solutions for waste management and precisely for prevention, preparation for reuse and recycling of urban waste. It is addressed to public authorities in order to supply them practical solutions for improving the prevention and management of urban solid waste.
Why to adopt this strategy? To optimize the resources available and to avoid waste money and resources, and in solving the problem related to a wrong disposal of treatment of waste.
Our main aim is to give the possibility to all our regional stakeholders to improve waste prevention and go towards a zero-waste society.
A waste mismanagement can produce noticeable impacts on the environment and can lead to contamination of water, soil and air, to climate change and to affect ecosystems and human health. However, if they are managed properly, they become resources contributing to the saving of raw materials, the conservation of natural resources and to a sustainable development.
What our municipality in Pedekčina did was implementation of Green Island, so the citizens can separate their waste and they can separate 8 types of waste. Why you should do that? It's because when industries use recycled materials, they produce less greenhouse gases.
With a look to the Agenda 2020, the European Union has put waste minimization in the center of its environmental policy. Waste is not seen anymore as useless material, but as a valuable resource for industry. Reuse, recycling and energy recovery become core modules for a future economic development. And the white paper, elaborated by the project, collects some good practice and tools implemented by SMEs and industrial areas with such aims.
Market, innovation, production, education. If I know I'm a consumer and I know about the recycling in the market, I will recycle more. I will choose product for innovating. So everything is about circular economy.
Zero Waste Pro partnership promotes tools to help public authorities, industrial areas and SMEs abide by European directives, decreasing their CO2 footprint. One of the tools capitalized by the project is the CO2 calculator, useful for evaluating the best waste management strategy, monitoring the CO2 emissions.
But also to open your mind of how you can do training in general in every field. So I think it's very important that we are all here and discuss about how is training more effective to be done in every sector. So that's why.
In order to transfer the tools and good practice capitalized during the project, partners developed a common and flexible methodology for training, communicating and educating different target groups, public authorities and schools.
The main purpose is to familiarize local authorities with sustainable waste management and to enable them to implement sustainable waste management strategies in their municipalities, and the theory behind, and so the contents which have to be delivered to the participant of the course are based on the European Waste Framework Directive, so the hierarchy of the European Union, but also the new strategy towards the circular economy.
Hi, I am Mary Kriminiotti. I'm from EGTC Exilipoli. I am the lead partner of this project, and we aim in Greece to organize a training course for the members of our organization, which are mainly local authorities.
Finally, the partnership elaborated a platform for sharing and comparing existing projects, good practices and tools on prevention, preparation for use and recycling.
Zero rifiuti, zero problemi, molte opportunità.
Nula otpada, nula problema i mnogo potencijala.
Ένας προβλέμι, wasala potencial alman.
Μηδενική παραγωγή αποβλήτων. Μηδενικά προβλήματα.
Πολλές δυνατότητες.
Nici odpadku, nici problema, ampak veliko potencijala.
Nula otpada, nula problema i puno potencijala.
Residuo cero, cero problema, mucho potencial.
Zero waste pro. Zero waste, zero problems and lots of potentials.
Μηδενική παραγωγή αποβλήτων. Μηδενικά προβλήματα.
Πολλές δυνατότητες.
Ένας problemi, wasala alman.